everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Meg, and today I'm going to show you what is in my fall Fab Fit Fun box. I am so excited to share today's video with you. Fab Fit Fun has been around for years and years and years. The only subscription service I really jumped on the train was Ipsy. And I haven't used that service in quite a while, and I had been kind of tempted, but then I was like, is it gonna be a lot of products that I don't really use or that I don't really like? And I just decided to go ahead and take a chance and order it. So today I'm gonna show you what I got in my box. I'm gonna go over the products, the cost, so you can see the value of my box. Because it was my first box, I only paid $40 for it. I believe it's a seasonal service and it's $50 a box otherwise. So without further ado, if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe if you like beauty-based videos. I do a lot of makeup education and lifestyle videos as well. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and let me know if you have this box, what is the favorite products that you got, and do you think I should keep using it for the winter box? Let me know. I just have to say, the packaging on this is just so cute. It's just such a fun thing to receive in the mail. It's like a giant present. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling products out and talking about them. So the first thing, that's the biggest thing here on top, and this is the scarf. Let me see, what is the exact name of this? This is a soya and koi, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, scarfigan. So you can wear it as a scarf and also use it as a blanket. I'm excited to see how big this is folded out, because I do live in the desert, and it's like, I'll be lucky if I even wear this out and about because it's so hot here. So I definitely won't be using this as a scarf. Okay, so I thought it was like a giant scarf blanket, but it's definitely, I see why they call it a scarfigan. So it's really big. So, you know, if I wanted to have a snuggie moment on the couch, I could just throw this behind me and be cozy that way. But it appears this is the intended way of wearing this. So again, I can still sit on the couch like this. I think this would be really great if you live in a colder climate, but yeah. So I'll definitely get use out of this. I was just thrown off that it was split down the middle. I literally thought it was just like a giant scarf blanket. All right, so this original scarfigan retails for $85. I wouldn't even pay more than $20 for something like this, honestly. And it seems like the material looks like you could have some shedding problems. Hopefully it doesn't snag easily, but it does have the fringe detail at the bottom. I do like the neutral tones of this, like this blush pink. I really like that a lot, so I'm excited to get some use out of this. Okay, now that we got that out of the way with, every box does come with a magazine, and it lists every single product that you possibly could have gotten with price points. And it also has some fun stuff in here like quizzes and crossroads, and it gives you examples on how to style certain items, so that's really cool. And it seems like it's a really nice recyclable paper that they used, so I like that. There's also some coupons in here, so I have $50 off for Bright Sellers, which is like a wine thing, and then there's also an $80 off card for HelloFresh. So that is nice, fun little bonuses. Oh, my hair is getting so disheveled. Do you guys want to hear how much of an idiot I am? So what actually pushed me over the edge to getting this box was the copper canisters, right? The way that they had it displayed in boxes, they had the little one in the box. So my dumb ass thought that the little one was like this candle. I thought it was a candle, and I got so excited because I love candles, and to me it makes sense. I thought it was gonna be like a pumpkin spice candle or something. It makes sense to have a candle for a fall box. So I totally thought it was a candle, signed up, and then a few days later they started releasing the videos of the objects in the box, and then I learned that they were actually canisters. Not a candle. But anyways, I was like, okay, like I guess I won't cancel, because there was another thing that enticed me, and that was the blue light glasses. So these are by the brand Nectar. I have a pair by Key, but they like distort my vision and make my vision worse when I wear them, and they make everything really, really like obscenely yellow. So for me, it's just like too much to actually wear them. And now that I'm getting older, my eyes are being affected when I'm gaming or if I'm editing for a long period of time staring at the computer screen. So these retail for $45. They're very stiff for $45. It feels a little cheap. And you can see it made my under eyes look really yellow because again, this has like a very yellow cast on it, which is so strange to me because my prescription glasses are blue light and they don't make anything yellow. So that's so weird. I mean, it's kind of like a little bit of like a 60s, 70s vibe, right? But I think that these are super cute. They aren't making my vision more blurry, so I think I'll prefer these over the key ones that I have. But yeah, I think that these are super cute. I would never pay $45 for them though. It's like, that's what I said. It also came in a little case, so that's cute. Okay, so the next item, this was an item that I picked. The second item that I picked, it may seem silly to some, but it's just a product I never tried out and that again, I would not want to spend my own money on. And that's the ABH Brow Gel. It's $22. And for me, that's just a lot of money to spend on a brow gel, and I'm lazy and hate having to return things. So I was like, if I can get it in this box, I only paid $40 for everything, I might as well try it out. So yeah, I will, you know, subscribe to my channel since I do beauty videos and I can report back to you how I like the brow gel. I like something that's almost like a soap brow consistency that will actually hold the hairs up into place. So I'm interested to see if that will beat out my current favorite brow gel. All right, so the last item that I personally picked, basically if you're not familiar with Fab Fit Fun, you get to pick 3 items that you will absolutely get if, you know, they have the supplies for it, but you're guaranteed pretty much to get these items. And then they custom the rest of the products for you. So an item that I definitely wanted, because I know the big seller was the purse and the backpacks for this box, but I just didn't like the nylon material and I just wouldn't use it. So the other big selling item are these woven baskets that I think are so cute, and they are so expensive if you're into home decor, like I'm sure you know. So this retails for $60. It's a Mia Melange foldable cotton basket, and it has these little handles here. I have markers and coloring books, and I thought it'd be really cute to keep them in here, and it looks like it's about to be the perfect size. I wish it was like the littlest bit taller, but yeah, I'm really happy with this. This does seem like good quality, and like I said, it'll be the perfect home for my coloring books, so it's less cluttered looking in my living room. All right, so up next I have this, I'm horrible at pronouncing things, so it is the Tranquility Sleep Mist. And let's see if it says what scents are in here. Witch hazel, which is going to protect the skin and improve softness. Lavender oil to promote calmness. And rice water, which is rich in minerals, antioxidants, and B and E vitamins to help purify and smooth the skin. Is this a facial spray? It says that it was formulated with powerful ingredients to relax your senses and soothe your skin. This calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. Interesting, interesting, interesting. It is a vegan product. It's sulfate, paraben, gluten, and cruelty-free. So weird. So I guess it's a face mist? It is not a face mist. It says, before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your, oh, you can. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe your skin. Let's test the mister. That's a pretty nice, fine mister. Okay, that smells really good. Let's see. I'm obsessed with the way that it smells. Like, it obviously smells like lavender, but it also has like little hints, I guess it's like the witch hazel in it that smells really great too. So this retails for $22. Again, I would never spend $22 on this, but I'm not gonna complain. I think that this smells really nice. It's 3 ounces of product, so it should last a while, and it smells really good. So I definitely love more aromatherapy, so I'm glad that was in my box. Okay, so up next, I have these exfoliating sugar cubes by Harper and Ari. This is called Juice Cleanse. I've never tried something like this before because, again, it's not something I personally would spend my own money on, but it's something that I've definitely been interested in. And it smells like apples, like green apples. That's exactly what it smells like. So these are essentially like little cubes that you can bring into the shower and just exfoliate your body with. And I can't wait to try this out. So this retails for $16. Okay, so up next, this is by The Beauty Crop. I feel like I've definitely seen them around in videos and I've never tried the brand myself, but this is called Glow Milk and it says nourished with coconut and argan oil. Normally, I'm not a huge fan of the coconut scent, so we will see, but this is supposedly a highlighter that retails for $19.50. This was really big packaging for what that is. This is literally like a rose gold copper color, so I don't know how great it will work out on my skin tone, but we'll do a little swatch. This is a cruelty-free product, which is always a good thing, so let's try this out and see what it looks like. Illuminating milk for face and body. I'm not sure why this is in a fall box. It would make more sense for it to be in a summer box. So it's not super runny or anything like that. Let me blend this out. Okay, so if I really blend this out to the absolute most, I feel like I could get away with wearing it. It's a really pretty color and a little bit of it pretty much covered my entire hand. I don't know if I'd actually use this on my face. I guess I'll have to give it a go. And like I said, I would really have to blend it out a lot because as you can see, I turned my hand here, you can see that darker cast. So I actually don't think this would work as a face highlight for me. If it was like more in like a lighter champagne color, I would be all about it. But yeah, for $19.50, probably not something I would ever spend my money on. I'm honestly not too jazzed about this product. And the last thing in here is by The Laundress. This is the Crease Release Classic, and it is supposed to remove wrinkles. Again, something I would literally never purchase, and I'm the least excited about this product. It is $16. I just feel like there's so much other stuff that I would have enjoyed more than this in the body highlighter, but that's okay because I have all the other products that I love that well make up for the price of the box. So this has the most faint like laundry detergent smell, which is, I love that smell. I love the smell of fresh laundry, but yeah, I don't know if I'd ever really use this. I'm not concerned about wrinkles in my clothes. So these are the 2 products in my box that I'm just like, I could literally do without. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up with the products. These 2 I could honestly do without, but I have all the other products that obviously make up the price of what the box is. I really am excited about this sleeping mist. It just smells so nice. Another product that I'm just like meh about that I'll end up using that I'm not like super jazzed about, I probably would have liked something else, are these exfoliating cubes. And then of course I have the basket, which I picked, that I'm really excited about. The glasses that I really like a lot. I'm excited to try out this brow gel. And then also the scarf again ended up being a win, and it was the most expensive item in my box at $85. So total, my box retailed for $285.50. So I'm very excited about that. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts on this service is and what you got in your baskets, or boxes, I should say. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.